Welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to build and buy a lifetime Minecraft server. We do all this at ZAP-HOSTING, where I own a lifetime Minecraft server and am very happy with it. In this video I will show you how to set up a lifetime Minecraft server today. First of all, you click on one time, because there you can see all the things the lifetimes, and then you see lifetime game serve. There you click up once and you come to a big list. When you have reached the list, you see you buy lifetime game server from €100, and we click directly here on the play sign, so to speak. That means we start creating our Minecraft server. Here you have a lot of possibilities. Even here you can even pre-order a few things, like it went, for example, just up here and on Spygel there you can look at everything, and I will show you at the end how you can upgrade to any other versions. For example, on Bucket Vanilla, Bungee Court, Proxy Server first, we press Spike here, then we get to the menu where we can create everything. To start, we can first select the location. There you can here do a ping check, which means he calculates you once, where everywhere is ping again. So to speak, in Germany we have 126 milliseconds ping, in London we have 35, you always choose the best, which means we have Germany now. Then you can go further down. Here you start with 20 slots and 0 gigabytes, but you get 2 gigabytes including RAM for these 20 slots. Here it is recommended that a minimum frame is 3 GB. Theoretically, you can pick up a frame here, and then you have exactly 3 GB. But you can go up to 16 GB of RAM, and you can make slots up to 500, so you have a total of 60 GB of RAM. That means you end up with 32 GB of RAM. We're going to 20 now. Take us an extra gigabyte and scroll down to own IP. You can also get your own IP address. There you pay a little more money for it, but you can't give your own IP address. Then everything will be normal. For example, if you choose the premium package for CPU host server, you will have more performance and you can do all this whenever you want. Info characters go. Read everything again. If you go to premium, then you just have a better system, like him again, but back to standard. And with billing type, you can only choose payment once. Now you can choose what you want to pay for. You can pay by PayPal, you can even pay by Bitcoin, or simply by PaySafe card. We are now going to SAP coins here. And the important thing is, if you get a server, first link in the video description, you can still enter my code. There you also save 20% on every upgrade you do. That is, if you get a gigabyte and pay €10, you pay 20% less code. We enter here, which is also in the video description. There is a 20% savings we print on redeem, and you can then see the coupon code has been redeemed. We are only paying less now, but only €103 for lifetime servers, which is very clear for lifetime servers. So for real lifetime servers, these are absolutely blatant prices. If you have done everything now, enter the code, you can click pay here. But since I already have a lifetime server, we're going to be there now. Web interface, and I will show you how to upgrade a server and how you can set up some things there. Until the moment you arrive in your web interface, you can see all your things here. That is my game server, my root server. I have now had a root server for a month. I will probably repeat myself, and you even get 10 GB of free storage from ZAP-HOSTING to do this, which is also mega cool. You can save backups and everything on it. Here you can see a few things. Show the package, that is, what your whole server can do. You can also go directly to the live console, then you can shut down the server or let you see the game server. Now you have arrived in the web interface, you can see the location of your server. Of course, you can change it by clicking. That is, you can go to the upgrade menu here and you can change it, but we don't do it now. Because I think Germany is perfect. Once you see the status online, you can restart it, restart the server, or even shut down the server. If you have a server now, you can only start it or shut it down, and it's still pressed here. Hold, that is, if you press the left mouse button here. Press here, you will see the command to stop the game server. Run the Emperor, press on it to restart, then you can run, and then your server would restart now. But let us not do it now, because it is to remain. How do you still see your IP and your port? Then you look at the occupied memory active game. I have a Minecraft Spy get server. There I will show you how you can change it again. Server name, this is the MOTD, where there are always many cool things here. A sample image map is now nothing. I have a total of 22 slots. Of course we can upgrade. If you click here you can see who is online right now. If one is online, but unfortunately no one is online right now, then you can always download games here. And that would be Minecraft Spygate. If you can click here, you can also watch the documentation. And below you can also see CPU utilization, frame utilization, and slot utilization. It's always very cool to see something like this. Currently 3.2 GB is used up by 2.1 GB, and below you can always see product news. I always find it very interesting when you go to your game, then you can read some cool things, but do it yourself. We're going to go over to the games. The games are, for example, as I told you, Spy, Get Bucket, Vanilla, and so on. Every pack you buy for this, you pay only 30 euro at a time, which means you can buy more on vanilla day. You can also buy a few other things, just like your Minecraft mod packs and everything, which means you can order an infinite number of packages for this. It's just an absolute lot. If you scroll down, I always want to enter the code from me. There, you save me a little more. And now we go into the version. The version is what your Minecraft server is running on. My Minecraft server is currently running on 1.12.2, and I have a plugin on it. You can run between 17 and 1.14, but you can also run here, for example. Click on this wrench and you can then select other versions. You can either upgrade or downgrade, or if you have selected 1.16.5, you can also restart directly or press reinstall, which means all data will be deleted. The Minecraft server is completely fresh. If you have any problems, it will be shown here under the tab faults. That is, if there is any problem in the location where you have your server, it will be shown here. You get it all the time, and I think it's very cool to post a small compensation if you somehow don't work or something. If you can't use your server right now, that's also the support, always very, very nice. Also, generally restart the whole team under the tab. You can also restart your server. You just click here on this plus. You can then enter, for example, on which day you should restart or just daily. Then you can't enter 23 us here, 3023 us, and you can click save. That means my server restarts at 23 us every day, and if it goes offline, it will start, which can also be indicated here. In theory, we could then start the server offline here and just give 2330. If the server should be offline for some reason, it starts at 2330 every day. Automatically new if it should go out or be absent due to restart for any reason. Under the FTP browser tab, you can run all your data, for example your FTP host, import, username and password, so that you can interact and share everything in FileZilla. I won't show you the password now because otherwise you can just log into my Minecraft server, which would be pretty stupid. Under database, you can also create a database, which is mega cool. There you have your 10 GB of memory and you have a total of 10 data. Use. I have not created any now because I don't need them at the moment, and under the tab. Backups and start automatic backups. There your 10 GB are consumed. You can create backups automatically. Yes, every week, for example, Monday, for no idea, we say 05 mon orsu au 3 padro 0. He would create a backup now. Then you can delete the old backup, create additional database backups. You can theoretically still click, yes, we can do this now. Then you just click save and then it will be automatic. Every Monday at 03 also backups made by the server. If, for example, on Saturday, Sunday, mega many players gamble, and then automatically just a backup on Monday is so everything is saved. We will now do an upgrade together because I still have some credit here. 14.905, we can click upgrade, and the important thing is I also have a 120% voucher here in my server where I just save 20% on every upgrade, which means you just save on every one. Money. For example, if I don't annoy you now, it says plus 68. If I press pay with SEB coins here now, I would pay 0 euro. This is the package price. I saved quite well at the time. If we now, for example, choose 1 GB more. And down here you see you can now again choose quite a lot of different things about what you wanted to pay for. I press SAP coins now and you see I pay 10 euro, and then you just have to agree to both things and then upgrade. The new package price is 78 euros. So, you know, now it's done. That is, you ordered. You see, I also have the money deducted. Now it's changed. That is, it's done. You have to wait a little longer, and then you have this 1 GB on the server. It's just worth it. It's an absolutely cool system. It works without lag. As I said, if you have a glitch, everything is fine. Support takes care of it, and now you ask again. We need a restart Minecraft server. A restart? Yes, it needs to be restarted. Now you just press yes. Because I am using yes at the moment, there is no one on the server because there are expectations. You can just press restart as if it would be restarted. It would look like this if you hold down here and then press restart and press run. If you want to get a server like this, just click in the first link in the video description. If it links my code again, that means copying it, you save 20% on every purchase and every upgrade, and you land directly on the website via the link. I would say if you have any further questions, please contact the support or just ask me questions in the video description. I also like to answer everything I can. I hope you have enjoyed the video.